So this is the first video that will go on our YouTube channel. Kason and Daddy, it's time to eat. Or to finish eating anyways. Little Peggy. He's got some bumps, we think, maybe from his mittens. May have broken him out a little bit. Still got all his hair. It's thick in the back.